boys and girls, welcome to Circle Time with Mrs. T. I'm so glad you're here. Today we have some fun apple stories. But before we do that, we're going to get ready for an apple song. Ready? Here it goes. Apples juicy, apples round, on the tree or on the ground. Apples yellow, apples red, apple pie and juice and bread. Apples crunchy, apples sweet, apples are so good to eat. Our first story today is Apples, Apples, Apples. One blue sky day in early autumn, Dad asked, "Who wants to go apple picking?" Me, yelled Mina. Me, shouted Pip. Me too, said Mom. Let's go. They walked down the road to Long Hill Orchard. Glad to see you, said Mr. Miller. Here are some bags to put your apples in. What kind do you want to pick? I want apples for pie, said Dad. I need apples for crafts, said Mom. Yum, yelled Pip. I'm going to pick apples for my snack at school. Mina whispered, I want apples for a surprise. Come look at this chart, said Mr. Miller. It shows the kind of apples we grow in the orchard. Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, Macintosh, Granny Smith, Rome Beauty. I can't wait to see the apple trees, said Mina. Climb aboard, said Mr. Miller. They all climbed onto the farm wagon. Mr. Miller started up the tractor. Hold on, he said. It's a bumpy, bumpy ride. The sky was blue. The air smelled crisp and clean. It was a great day for picking apples. When they got to the orchard, there were apples everywhere. Pip tugged on an apple. The limb shook, and lots of apples fell to the ground. Uh-oh. Try lifting and twisting the apple, said Mina. Then pull on it gently. I read that in my apple book. Look, Mina, said Pip. Lift, twist, pluck. I can do it. Lift, twist, pluck. And they picked, and they picked, and they picked. Mr. Miller used a special tool for picking apples that were hard to reach. He let Mina and Pip have a turn. Then Mr. Miller picked an apple from the ground. He cut it in half. It looks like a star inside, said Pip. Mina said, I think it looks like a flower. It looks like both a star and a flower, said Mr. Miller. In fact, apples are a member of the flower family, the rose family. They counted the seeds. There may be as many as 10 seeds inside an apple, said Mr. Miller. How many seeds do you see? 5, said Mina. Mr. Miller cut another apple in half a different way. Look at the parts the apple has, he said. You can see the stem, the skin, the core, and the flesh. Did you know that seeds are also called pips? Asked Mr. Miller. Mina pointed at Pip, and they both giggled. Mr. Miller, do you grow trees from seeds? Mina asked. Well, apple trees can be grown from seeds. He took pictures from his pocket to show them. A seed, a root, a bud, and a root. Or they can be grown the way we grow them at Long Hill Orchard. We graft a branch with buds into a rootstock. He showed them more pictures. Branch with buds, rootstock, grafted branch. Mina and Pip looked at the shiny seeds. I'll be Johnny Appleseed, said Mina. I read about him. He planted lots and lots of seeds across America. They grew into orchards everywhere. Look, Mina, I'm Johnny Apple Pip. When their bags were filled to the top, they rode back down the hill. Hold on, cried Mom. Woohoo! Mina laughed. Hold on to your apples. Mr. Miller weighed the bags of fruit so that he would know how much to charge them. Apple picking is fun, said Mina. So is apple eating, said Dad. When they got home, they had an apple snack. The apples tasted sweet and juicy. Mina looked through her book. Here it is, she said. Here's a surprise recipe I want us to try. Time to make Mina's surprise recipe, said Dad. Pip washed the apples. Mina and Mom used a special tool to peel them, and Dad diced them. They put the apples and the maple syrup and cider and cinnamon into a big blue pot. Then Mom put it on top of the stove to simmer. It smelled delicious. When it was ready, Mina spooned it into bowls. Who wants some? She asked. Me, said Pip. Me, said Mom. Me too, said Dad. They all said, yum, applesauce. I hope you liked our story, boys and girls. Guess what? We have an apple experiment, but before we do that, I want to show you the middle of an apple. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks a little bit like a flower or a star. So if you cut an apple in half, you'll see the star inside the apple. All right, now we're going to get ready for our apple experiment. We've got some baking soda, some vinegar, and some dish soap. So we're going to take some baking soda and we're going to put a couple spoonfuls inside our apple. And I cut out the inside of the apple. So that's where we're going to put our baking soda. So we're going to put baking soda, a couple teaspoons in there, and then a couple teaspoons in this one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of dish soap because that helps it to get foamy. So we're going to put a little bit of dish soap. All right, are you ready for the fun? Here we go. We're going to add some vinegar and let's see what happens. Whoa, boys and girls, check that out. It's foaming. Whoa, what do you think of that? That's an exploding apple. Let's pour a little bit more. All right, and our next story, boys and girls, is called Apple Tree, What Do You See? Apple Tree, what do you see? I see one apple looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see two apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see three apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see four apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see five apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see six apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see seven apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see eight apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see nine apples looking at me. Apple Tree, what do you see? I see 10 apples looking at me. Can you count the apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now, my friends. So long, farewell, until we meet again. Bye-bye for now.